Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Foodies. Today I'll be sharing a healthy, yummy and easy to make walnut cookie recipe. These cookies are butter, egg and refined sugar free. Instead of plain flour, we'll be using oat flour. Plus these delicious treats are vegan and gluten free as well. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. So first, we are going to make oat flour for the cookies. Into a blender, add some oats. And we'll grind them into a fine powder. Our oat flour is ready. We'll keep this aside. And now we'll grind half cup of walnuts. Add the walnuts into a blender and pulse them to make walnut powder. Our walnut powder is ready. It should look nice and crumbly like this. Add in 1 cup of oat flour into a medium-sized bowl. Half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoons of jaggery powder or any other sweetener of your choice. And now we'll combine all these dry ingredients. Into this dry mixture, now we'll add our ground walnuts. And in goes half teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. This will help us make the dough. By using our hands, we'll mix all these ingredients and try and make a cookie dough. Now we'll divide it into 5 or 6 equal parts. And using our hands, just like this, flatten them out into cookies. And now we'll transfer these cookies to a parchment paper lined tray. And top them up with some chopped walnuts. And now we'll bake these cookies into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 to 25 minutes. And our walnut cookies are ready. We'll let them cool completely. Enjoy these cookies with your tea or coffee. And with all the festivals that are lined up in the coming months, these walnut cookies also make for a perfect, healthy and tasty party snack. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you're in the mood to make something healthy and tasty to go along with your tea or coffee, please give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, the written recipe is in the description below. For more such healthy and tasty recipes, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.